Before you begin, remove the ignition key. Continue at the rear. Unscrew the 4 screws of the strip. Then remove the strip carefully. In the door handle recess of the tailgate trim, undo the screw together with the strap. On the other side, remove the screw in the door handle recess. Then unclip the trim all round using a plastic wedge. Check that all the retaining clips are undamaged and still in place. Disconnect the electrical connector and disconnect the cable from the bracket. Take out the grommet. While unscrewing the 2 nuts on the inside, hold the outside with a wrench. Remove the rear view camera and move the cable together with the grommet through the opening. Upon reinstallation, remember to perform a functions test of the reversing camera.